How can we stop comparing and start contributing? Whenever we interact with others, our ego often makes us compare ourselves with them. And if our talents or achievements are better than theirs, we feel superior and we feel good about ourselves. And we feel bad about ourselves if their talents and achievements are better than ours. Either way, the comparing mentality keeps us on an emotional roller coaster that can any moment go wildly out of control, either sinking us into self-pity or depression, or throwing us high up into egomania and hubris. How can we get out of this emotional roller coaster? Because as long as we are on this roller coaster, we can't really do anything with focus and quality. One way to get off this roller coaster is by cultivating an intrinsic sense of self-worth rather than an extrinsic sense. How do we do that? By gaining spiritual knowledge and realizing who we actually are. Gita Wisdom explains that we all are souls who are precious parts of an all-loving, all-attractive divine, Krishna. He loves each one of us and is present in our hearts to guide us to our ultimate well-being. He has a plan for each one of us, and He has a place for each one of us in His plan. He wants us to connect with Him internally through devotion and contribute on His behalf externally through service according to our particular nature and abilities and situations. When we thus understand that that God loves us and values us and we can contribute to this plan, that gives us intrinsic self-worth. We become less dependent on the world's recognition for our self-worth. We stop comparing ourselves with others and instead start focusing on contributing the best that we can. Paradoxically, to gain this intrinsic self-worth, we need humility. Why? Because it requires humility to acknowledge that we are parts of the whole, not the whole. It is humility that is the doorway to holistic knowledge, including knowledge of our place and purpose in the overall scheme of things. The Bhagavad Gita lists humility as first among the virtues that comprise knowledge. When we humbly strive to connect with Krishna and contribute in His service, we start experiencing inner satisfaction and we start experiencing intrinsic self-worth through that loving connection. And when we are thus focused on humbly contributing, then we can stop comparing and start doing the very best that we can in the fields we are meant to. So to summarize, humility takes us beyond the duality of inferiority or superiority and shifts our focus from comparing to contributing.